Okay, good morning, bro. Welcome back to the little mini series that we are going to do about trading strategy, because during the weekend I received a couple of questions from the Discord server guys, what is my trading strategy, how to trade. So in this mini series of 7 videos, I'm gonna explain it. And yeah, without too much of talking, let's go straight into it. Okay, let's lock in. So the first concept of my trading strategy are highs and lows. Okay, wait, let me draw that for you. The first concept are highs and lows. So highs and lows are probably one of the most important concepts that we have to first discuss. Okay, so as you can see, bro, market moves in trends. Okay, market moves in up and down direction, and you see here it goes down and then up and then down, up, and so on and so on. Okay, so during that movement, for example here as well, up, down, up, down, up, down, and during that movement, what does it do? It creates highs and lows. Okay, and in order for us to trade successfully, we need to be able to identify them. So let's go to yesterday. Okay, let me mark where the yesterday starts. Okay, here it starts and here it ended. Okay, so we will now we will go through the whole day and we will identify highs and lows. Okay, and this is the first thing that we do when we start trading. We have to identify highs and lows on, let's say, higher time frame. Okay, so I'm gonna go to 1 hour chart and we are going to identify highs and lows together. Okay, for yesterday. So what is actually high and low? Let me show you. Market moves in a direction. Okay, and it goes up and down, up and down. Okay, so what is a high? High is a move up and a move down. In my case, that would be a green candle and a red candle. And what is a low? It's a move down and a move up. So in my case, that would be red candle and green candle. That's it. Okay, so let's go. Look, here we already have first high. Why? Because we have one green candle up and one green candle down. So I take the wick. Okay, this little stick here is called the wick and this is the body. Okay, so I take the wick and I mark it and this became my high. Okay, we only take one candle up and one candle down. Okay, we ignore this candle. This candle is not a high. Okay, this here is not a high. Why? Because we only take one green candle and one red candle, and this forms a high. Okay, now what is another high? Let's go. Look, one green candle up. This is probably green candle, this little one. Yeah, look, one green candle up and one green candle down. Okay, so this is a high. These two candles form a high, so this is a high as well. Okay, this is not a high. This here is not a high. This here is not a high. Why? Because it doesn't have one green candle and it doesn't have one red candle. Okay, we only take those two candles that are together, so green candle and red candle. Okay, what is another high? Look, one green candle up and one green candle down, so this is another high. Why? Because it went up and it went down. Now look here, we have another high, one green candle up and one green candle down. Okay, so this here in this case I'm gonna put the high right now here because we take one of the wicks. Okay, those little sticks, those are the wicks. We take one of them that is higher. Okay, and in this case on the red candle the wick was higher, so we take the red candle's wick, okay, and then this is a high. And then what do we have? Then we have a massive move up, and we create another high. Look, one green candle up and one green candle down. So this is a high. Now here again, one green candle up and one red candle down. So this is another high. And here as well, one green candle up and one green candle down. So this is another high right now here. So yeah, you can see those are the highs. One green candle up, one green candle down. I mean, one red candle down. Those are the highs. Look, this here, for example, is the perfect example of what is not a high. Those candles here, those green candles, those are not the highs, okay? Why? Because they don't have a red candle. They have only green candles. Only right now here, we created a high. Why? Because we have one green candle up and we have one green candle down. You know, you understand what I mean? We always have to think about the highs like that. One move up or one green candle up and one move down or one red down, okay? That's the high. Good. Now we have our highs. Now let's delete them and let's create now, or no, actually let's leave them and let's create now lows, okay? So what is a low? Low would be then move one red candle down and one green candle up. Red candle down, green candle up, okay? Which means move down and move up, okay? Let's go. We have here the first example. One move down, one red candle down, and one move up. So I'm gonna take the lowest point out of those two candles because those two candles form a low because we went down and up, and this is the low. And I'm gonna mark it in, let's say, red, okay? And I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. Okay, this is a low. Let's continue. We have one move down and one move up. This is a low. We have here again one move down and one move up. One of the big longest candles is this one, okay? This is a low. We have one move down, one move up. Where is a low? Here. Let's continue. We have one move down, one move up. Move down here, move up here. This is a low. Okay, we have again, look, one candle down, one candle up. This is a low. We have again one move down and then one move up, but this is already then today, okay? So I'm not gonna do this. So those are highs and lows, okay? Let's now do a little bit of, wait. I'm gonna, sorry bro, sorry. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna delete all of those lines and paste it back. Okay, now let's go to 5-minute chart, okay? Let's go to 5-minute chart from today, and from today that's gonna be your homework to identify highs and lows, okay? Wait, where is today? Today we started right now here, and you can see that we are now on 5-minute chart. So right now make a little pause, okay? Make a pause, screenshot this, and let's identify together up until this point here. Let's identify, for your homework, identify all of the highs and all of the lows, okay? Remember, what is a high? A high is a move up and a move down. What is a low? a move down, and a move up. Okay, so now pause the video, make a screenshot, and identify all highs and all lows within that time frame. Okay, so from midnight up until, how much is it right now? Until 6, more or less. Okay, and I'm gonna do them as well right now here, and then we can compare the results. Okay, pause the video, let's do it. Okay, bro, if you're following my instructions, you pause the video and you identified highs and lows. So right now, let's take a look if you identified them correctly, okay? So let's go. Let's start here, okay? Here we have one high. Why? Because we went one move up and one move down. So here we have already a high. I'm gonna mark it with black, okay? Then here we have another high, one move up, one move down, so that is another high. Then we have here one move up, one move down, that is another high. Then we have here again one move up, one move down, that is another high. One move up, one move down, here. 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 The bigger wick, okay? One move up, one move down, here. Let's zoom a little bit. One move up, one move down, here. 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 Okay, those are the highs. Now let's identify the lows, okay? I'm gonna change this color to red color. And we have low is what? One move down and one move up. So let's go. We have here one move down. Let me zoom in a little bit. One move down, one move up. So here is a low. One move down, one move up. The bigger wick, okay, the longer wick is this one. We are here. This is low. Okay, we have again one move down, one move up. Here. We are here again. One move down, one move up. Here. Okay. One move down, one move up. Longer one. Here. One move down, one move up. 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 Here. And right now we have to wait. Right now we are doing another low, okay? Look, because the price is going down, and if this little candle will close in a bullish candle, as a bullish candle. So if it's gonna close as a green candle, that means this here is going to be another low. Wait, sorry. This here is gonna be another low, or right now actually not, because right now it's still a red candle, okay? But yeah, that's about it. So those are highs and lows, okay? Basically, move up and a move down is a high, move down and a move up is a low, and we only consider one candles, okay? One candle, like one of each candles, okay? Here, this is not a high for us, this candle. Why? Because it doesn't have a red candle. It has to be one green candle, one red candle. Or here, in as a low, it has to be, okay, let me write you. So it has to be green, and it has to be red. And here, in this case, it has to be red, and it has to be green. Okay? It must not be red, red, green. Only one red and one green. And here also as a high, one green and one red. Okay? So bro, that's it for today. Okay, look, let's go back. So here we formed another low. Look, one red candle down and one green candle up. So now this is another low as well. Okay? It's that simple. One red candle, one green candle. So yeah, that's it, bro. Do the hard work. We see each other tomorrow. And tomorrow we are going to discuss liquidity sweeps. Okay, then tomorrow we are already going to start putting we are gonna meet the first concept of trading, which is liquidity sweep. Okay, and yeah, bro, stay tuned, do the hard work, and see you on top of the world.